Hi, I'm Ed Mulligan and I'm from 4WD Drive World, and I'm here to show you our range of airbags suitable for all sorts of vehicles, including cars and utes and 4WD drives. We do in-coil kits like these. These are the Polyair brand. They're exceptionally good and they're made in America. This particular one is the Polyair Ultimate. It does not need a sleeve around the outside. It's the only bag rated at 60 psi and suitable for towing heavy caravans with your Land Cruiser 100, 200 or 300 series, plus Pratos and Pajeros and other coil sprung vehicles. These are a fantastic product made of neoprene, which is directly from America, and they come with the airlines and the hose. We also do a spacer, which if your vehicle is raised, you can just literally add that to the bottom and that will give you a raised application. The double bellow kits, which we've got here, we deal with 3 or 4 brands there, and 5 brands in total. This is a cutaway which shows you that there's actually steel cords through the center of this bag. They are designed so that they give you flexibility, and that gives you better articulation, better ride, but they're all rated at around 2.2 tonnes per pair or more, up to 2.9, and we have different brands. That's a Boss, there's the Thor, and these are Polyair. This particular ones are Polyair Ultimates, suitable for the big American 4 drives. They have an inbuilt bump rubber inside them, and they're really good quality bag, which comes with heavy duty mounting brackets, airlines, and you can run it with an air compressor system to actually inflate and deflate from within the cabin. So whatever your needs for air applications on any 4 drive, any car, any ute, give us a call at 4WD Drive World or Airbag World. It's one and the same company, and we'll be able to send you a quote and give you information that makes your vehicle handle better and safer in all applications.